am back in business, baby, at Bangkok airport now, heading to Vietnam. Got a 3-month visa, so stayed here for a few days, sorted it all out. Now it's time to get back on the road. Vietnam, here are parking car. So got my little yoga spot on the balcony, which I'm pretty happy about. I'm gonna try and continue this practice because I have been doing it every day for the past week, and I feel like I'm getting some progress, so keep it up while you can. Another meal, don't even know what it is. Okay, now we're in business, sorted out a SIM card. Now on the hunt to buy myself a motorbike for this trip. So I'm catching up with some guy who was advertising one. Hopefully it all goes well, and then I got myself a whip. So this is gonna be my new bike. Here, the traffic chaos. Oh shit. Getting some local. And look who's here.
Whoa! How'd you get here, man? Are you serious?
And that's a wrap.
So what do you think of it?
I just finished up at my first yoga session of this trip. Now, I really wanted to go to a class because it's just a bit more motivation, mix it up a bit from me doing it at home. And I'm so glad I did. It was such a good session. Got a really good feed afterwards. I'm feeling really good about myself today. So I think during this trip, since I'm gonna try and cut back on drinking, I'm gonna try and go to more classes. If anyone is in Hanoi, they do need to go to this one. I'll put some information below, but check it out, it's so good. So currently getting my baby washed. Need to change the oil before I start this adventure. I think I'm gonna head to Sapa and get in some good mileage and see how this goes. I've never ridden manual before. It's been an eating frenzy here in Vietnam. Food's so good, pretty cheap. So the journey starts today. Everything ready. If you haven't met her, her name is Alexis. So I gotta go get some a phone holder and then I can start the ride. Give me first pit stop. So the ride so far has been quite enjoyable. A little bit cold. I think I got to dress up next time, put some more layers on. But yeah, it's not as busy as in the main city, so I've got a bit of like, you know, time to relax a little bit. I think, you know, 2 more hours to my next destination. I ended up getting a phone holder where I can do the maps, and that's like the best thing I could have ever done. So gonna get a cheeky bowl of pho now, and you know, get some food in me for the rest of the journey. But this is so fun. I like this shit. And this is just what you need after riding for about 2 hours in the cold. Oh. No, that was some good shit. Oh damn. Pretty nice every now and then to just stop and soak it all in, and just remember that you're in the middle of a rice field. Doesn't happen every day, does it? So I've finally arrived to my first accommodation, the Eco Lodge. I don't know where the reception is. I've got to look around. I'm so glad to be here though. My ass hurts. Not bad. Within the mountains. Super. Good morning, world. I just woke up, had a shower. I've been having these like nothing but cold showers at the end to wake me the hell up, just for this ride ahead. So gonna look for some coffee now because I want to stay kind of fresh by the time I start riding. So this Vietnamese coffee, let's see how it goes. Oh my god, this is what you wake up to. And this is my wake up, bro. So just walking around this town, just before I leave, want to take some snaps. Want to make a bit more of an effort to, you know, take some more photos. I've been a bit slack lately due to laziness, but when you do have views like this, it kind of makes my job easier. So now that I've got some time to myself, I'm going to take more photos, since I do really enjoy it, but just like, yeah, I gotta get back into it. All packed for day 2. I think today's drive is about 4 hours, so I'm gonna probably stop on the way, get lunch, and then I'll see you there. About 1 hour and 45 minutes left, which means I'm just over halfway. It's pretty hot today, but I've got to stay hydrated, because when you're driving on the bike, shit gets dry in your mouth and your eyes and everything else. So nearly there, hopefully get there soon, and then I can relax a little bit. That's why I did leave a little bit earlier. So, gotta cross the water now. Something different, eh? Private tour, just me. Finally made it. I'm in a little town called Fuyen. This is my room. It probably cost about $12 for the night. But that ride was about 4 hours. It wasn't too long. I'm trying to do kind of short trips only because it's not that fun driving for like over 5 hours a day, I'd say. And since I got time, I'd rather stop and enjoy myself and rest a little bit rather than driving, because yeah, your back gets all weird and shit like that, especially when you got a mini backpack on ya. But I'm gonna stay here tonight, chill out, do some eating and editing, I think, and head out tomorrow to the next place and beyond. So I'm just bargaining now. She wants 430.20, but we're gonna go 410. So I'm gonna upgrade my helmet because safety matters, and the other one was a piece of shit. It was actually hurting my neck. So full face helmet, since I'm gonna have, you know, my bike for a while. Pay that. I think it works out to be like $28 Australian for a good quality helmet. Mum, you're gonna like that one. So it's time to get some food. I think I'm gonna get some more pho. It's been like 3 days in a row, but I don't have a damn problem with that. So here's another one. Pho bo. I mean, pho bo. So the internet here is surprisingly quick, which means I'm gonna get an upload finished tonight. My first leg of the Vietnamese motorbike tour. There wasn't any dessert or any other kind of food, so I just got some fruits to finish up on. A couple of mangoes, bananas, and some fruit. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Just gonna wind down, do some yoga and things like that, and prepare for tomorrow. In terms of the actual direction, I don't think I've really explained it, but I'm heading up north since I got a bit of time. Gonna hit the Sapa. It's like quite high up in the country, and see some more plantations and things like that. So it's gonna take another 2 days. I'm just gonna stop over at the next town so I can take it slow and I don't have to rush. But besides that, signing off. Peace and love in the desert, Vietnam edition. See ya.